Hello, and welcome to our SkillsEngine tutorial on building profiles using the Convert Text to Skills feature. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to create a custom profile by converting a job post, curriculum, resume, or other document directly into SkillsEngine skills. Open SkillsEngine and log into your account. Then, using the box in the center of the page, enter a job description, curriculum, or other relevant document. For this example, I will paste in a job description for a construction technician role. Click the Convert into Skills button. The system will analyze the input and generate a profile based on the SkillsEngine library. This process involves using generative AI to identify the document type and extract relevant information and then match it back to skill sets and skills in our library. At the top of the profile, you will see a suggested title based on your input. You can choose the suggested title or enter your own custom one instead. Below, you will see a list of the skill sets, which you can expand to review the skills that have been selected as relevant based on the text you provided. You can then select or deselect entire skill sets or individual skills based on their relevance to the profile you are creating. Typically, the conversion process will give you a profile that is around 80 to 90% accurate. However, because the process involves the use of AI, it's always good to review the selected skills to check for hallucinations. Note that all of the soft skills have been gathered into a single skill set. Once the profile is created, these soft skills will show up across the skill sets as relevant for the profile. Once you are satisfied with your selections, click Create Profile. After creating the profile, you can edit it like normal. To learn more about how to do this, check out our other support videos. On rare occasions, the system may identify the text you input as skill-related, but not be able to classify it. If that happens, the system will instead attempt to match the text you provided to our template profiles and will provide up to the top 3 closest matches that it finds. You can then select one or more of these profiles to create your own, or simply hit the back button to start over. That's it. You've successfully built a profile using the Convert feature in SkillsEngine. This powerful tool helps you quickly generate a custom profile based on your specific needs. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thank you for watching.